Harm either of you, but we might have a tiny problem.
Tutorial on how to get up here. First, you need now you can play heaven. But wait, there's this other spot I've never seen. So try that. You need to do this. You need some other attempt. On how to do it. Here it is. So thanks for watching.